You don't need motivation. I know that sounds wrong, and it kind of is. But that's the only thing which works. Because motivation is not the starting line, it's the reward. And if you're waiting for motivation to come before you've even started, that's exactly why you're stuck. Here's what we have all done: we want to start something, a workout, a project, even a business idea. But we wait. We wait for the right time. We wait for us to be ready, to feel fired up, and to feel like today is the day. And everyone does that, including me, for a very, very long time. But here's the thing nobody tells you: motion creates motivation, not the other way around. Think of it as a loop. You act, even a small, messy, imperfect action, and that creates a small win. And that win builds a belief, and that belief generates the motivation that you thought you needed first. But the loop does not start with a feeling, it starts with moving. And discipline is the decision to start the loop even when you don't feel like it. I used to journal about my goals more than I worked on them. I thought that I was being productive. I was color coding my calendar. But what changed things for me wasn't mindset shift. It was just taking an action. Whether that action is small or big, you have to take it. I explained in my previous video to start with just 5 minutes. Do the task and give yourself 5 minutes to achieve it, and that will create a small win in you, which will in turn create a belief system, and that belief will give you motivation. So here's your assignment: not a plan, not a vision board, just one simple thing. The smallest version of the thing that you have been postponing. Do it today, badly, quickly, imperfectly. I don't care, but just get the loop started. Then you want to structure this and build it into a habit loop, something that you do every single day, regardless of what you feel like. I have a full video on exactly that, and I will link it above here. But for now, 2 minutes. Get up right now and start the loop. Don't wait.